on, my people? You're most welcome to MX Breaks on MX24 TV. My name is the Daphne Flashley, and I'm excited, ladies and gentlemen, to bring you this amazing conversation. Now, one of my favorite music duos here, the latest, freshest nominees in town. Now, these ladies fought for their sport and they've earned it. And I'm excited to have a conversation with them. Ladies and gentlemen, without much ado, let's welcome the ever beautiful, ever amazing, ever sexy, ever gracious, ever pretty,
oh my God,
the most talented, Lali X Lola.
Oh my God. That whole intro. Take it and stump it. I wanted to say Beyonce.
Yeah, no, kamikaze.
Kamikaze.
Kamikaze. Oh my God. How are you
Lali
guys?
X Lola, your favorite Ghanaian twins.
You're looking, guys.
Wait, let's do our intro.
Oh,
Wait.
sorry.
It's ready.
Hi guys,
it goes Lali X Lola, your favorite Ghanaian twins. Hey. Okay, now beautiful Daphne. Let's go.
Daphne's looking so
I know.
good.
It's giving kamikaze.
Hey, so which one
Why
is
copying me?
Kamikaze?
Shut up.
She's copying.
Which one is Kamikaze?
Oh.
So if something is
It's
nice,
something like it's like correct. Everything is
Point. It's good.
it's good. Okay.
so
we
my
say
hair is Kamikaze.
Your edges, I'm jealous
My
of your edges. Ha, beautiful. I'm jealous of your edges.
Wow, so amazing to have you guys in the studio today. This is my first time seeing you after your nomination.
Yes.
You guys are fought for this, let me tell you.
my God.
And you didn't just fight for it just because you wanted to be there,
Yes, of course.
but because there's a reason that you had to be there. Number one, when I read through your submission
Yes.
to TGMAs, you spoke
I
about
love letter.
Yes, you've written
thank you.
plenty,
Continue to
but
write.
it looks like this one they opened it.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. When you wrote the letter, one thing that I stood out for me was the fact that you said, just because there are not billions of groups, there are still groups that are working really hard
I'm making an impact.
and making an impact. We've seen you guys on so many stages this year alone. First of all, are you tired?
Hey, guys, follow
for
my
real.
body, please.
For real,
So.
though.
What bread?
No, like, have you ever seen us like go on a break before?
No.
Like, we're
No.
always doing something.
No.
We're always doing something.
Back to back.
There'll be a time where we rest, but right now,
Right now it's not resting
we
time.
got a
Yeah.
lot to do.
Yeah.
Well, right now, we're just 20%. There's so much to do. Yeah.
There's a video that there's a video that a guy is like, he's asked in an interview, you're always here, how do you do it, how do you balance it? He said, I don't I don't balance it. Anyway, let's get straight into the conversation. Big congratulations to you guys. How has the feeling? How have you been? Has the walking changed so far?
Let me see. Okay. I think so.
That's the nomination one.
I think it changed.
Not just one, but two.
Yes.
Okay, so the thing is, when we enter the industry, we're not chasing. We're not doing whatever we're doing. We're not doing it because we want to get awards. We're not chasing awards. But for us, it's like, okay, if we do get the recognition, it's like a stamp of approval or like people seeing our hard work.
Yeah.
So anytime we get nominated, we're always blessed and humbled to be there. But we know that we deserve to be there. So it's not like we're taking anyone else's spot. We have our own spot. We deserve it. And so let me give you like a rundown, because we've been nominated quite a number of times. Because 2 years ago, Unsung category. Obviously, we didn't win, but I mean, everyone in their time. And then the year after, we got
new artists,
and then group. That
as
was last year.
Because last year we also wrote our love letter.
Yes.
But next year too, I hope they just put it there.
So that there'll be no love letter.
We write, oh.
You still write.
Writing, but they should just do it before we write.
Yes.
Because after writing there, we write. Because the group is so important to us. It's so important. As you said, like as you saw in the letter, like when you take out the group, it has this kind of effect, butterfly effect, domino effect. Because you're sending like a signal to the industry that like groups are not important. If people want to invest in it, if people want to actually do groups, it's like there's no ginger, there's no initiative, like there's nothing to incentivize them to actually do something. But group, from R2Bs to Dope Nation to VVIP, those times, like, we've all had a massive impact in the industry.
That's
so
true.
And even like when you look at like a country like South Korea, where like groups, what they're doing internationally, it's crazy. So like, let's invest in groups, because it takes so much to bring out a group, maintain it, sustain it, emotionally, physically, financially. Hey, please. So I'm really happy that they listen to us. So shout out to Chatterhouse for bringing it back, TGMA for bringing it back. Yeah.
Has it put any pressure on you guys since getting the nomination? Is there pressure to even work even more harder or especially because you know, with them first not putting the group there and then you stating it, I'm sure a lot of people will be like, the girls wait there. Every day they are writing love letter. So has it put any pressure on you guys to prove to people that this is the reason why you have to be there?
So I would say that even before that pressure even touches us, I would say how we function is that we know this industry is male dominated. Like, there's a lot of male artists. You see females, and some females don't sustain in the long run. So we already take account of that. So for us, when we're working 10 times, we're pushing 10 times as hard as any other person. That's in our mind. So even without us saying, okay, is there pressure from that? For us, we are always constantly under pressure, trying to outdo ourselves. What is next? Like,
yeah, because for us, if you ask anybody from every single time you meet us, even if it's 3 months down the line, you know that we've grown. There's growth in something, because for us, we always want to evolve and make our fans proud and make everyone who is looking at us and who is supporting us proud and make ourselves proud. But one thing is for sure, what I really realized this year is, if you do not tell your story, no one's going to know what you're doing, okay? And it might seem cringe that you're talking about yourself and your achievements. Auntie, please, so you have to let people know what you're doing, what's up, what's happening, you know? So this year, that's what we're really doing. We're putting out our story, putting out our message, and yeah, it's leading up to our concert.
Yes. I was about to ask that.
Yes.
I was about to ask that. But before we get into that, do you think the nomination is tight, especially with the Song for Good? First of all, congratulations. You got into Song for Good with
Cross It Out.
Congratulations exactly. Congratulations to us. We are there inside. If you guys win, we are a TGMA winning media house.
Oh, hey.
Has that ever happened before?
I'm not sick, but I'm never sorry.
You know?
Yeah. Oh, that's amazing. Yeah, that's
do you think the nomination is tight? Does your heart beat a little bit when you go through
guys,
it?
I'll tell you that my heart's not beating, but like last year when we were sitting down there announcing group, I tell you my heart was literally palpitating. Yeah. So right now I'm not nervous.
Like,
but the thing is, but the thing is, like, Music for Good, there's so many good songs in there. There's songs from Nasi, like Galamsey, Tree of Life, and then the other female contestants. Like, so it's like, like, let's see, because I don't think Music for Good is not under the categories where you vote. So this one is the board coming together to see who is well deserving of who has created the most impactful music.
But for people who do not know, as I said, telling a story, Cross It Out, we have been going to high schools for the past 2.5 years. And we've been teaching them the song. Yes, because the thing is, the song is really hard to make an educative song and still make it fun and dancey, but the children love it so much. When they hear it, they go like crazy. Cross it out, cross it T, cross it out to feel easy breezy.
Somebody says electricity. Hey! There. Please, when you finish, go and ask her why. She says electricity. She said the reception there. You know what I'm talking about.
There's lyric video. How dare you?
Anyway, now let's get into the concert. I was having a short conversation with Dada Jao before we got here, and he said that this time the concert is a concert on its own. They are trying to separate the Lali and Lola brand from
the
Fire and Flow. Oh my God. Talk to us about that.
Okay, so the thing is, we want to be able to transition it from just being like our thing to like a whole festival where like people from even outside come in. It just doesn't stay in Ghana. It goes we're big dreamers. And even though we'll start small, we'll get there. You understand? So we have actually we have 6 degrees on board. That's our implementation partner.
Yeah, 6 degrees. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, amazing team. So this year is gonna be so good, guys.
So massive.
From stage to like, guys, it's gonna be crazy. So we've actually been doing our, because we choreograph. So we've been doing our own choreography for the songs, new songs. We're gonna perform some new songs for you guys.
I saw some, you teased that a little bit with the song with Efia.
Yes. Oh yeah. Hopefully she's there. I know she's gonna be there because she actually told me she was gonna be there.
Yeah, because by that time she would have.
Yeah.
Our baby would have come out.
She's gonna be there. She's so supportive, by the way. She hasn't missed any of
I know.
You know, our Fire and Flow. She hasn't missed any. So Fire and Flow has been on for like 3 years. This year is gonna be our 4th as independent female artists. I don't know what we're thinking. We're crazy when we started this, but it's working.
Yes.
You understand? And it's worth it. It's worth it.
Last year, the way I enjoyed.
Oh,
Do you
so
have the video there?
Yes.
They were singing for me. Did you see that?
Saw.
Come and give me kisses.
Check over. Shout out to them. They pulled out. They pulled out. I remember he was singing to you.
They came to sing to me.
I didn't know what to do to herself.
If I should hide under the chair.
So for us, we want to experience, we want to create, but I want people to know that for us, we're beyond just music. We take our stage craft very, very serious.
Yes.
So we incorporate dancing and singing, and you guys, it's quite hard. That's why
most importantly, fashion. Let's not forget that because your outfits are
for the
mostly
stage
always on point.
Thank you. We don't tell ourselves as fashionistas. We just try our best to show up.
TGMA is next week. Whatever I wear, it's none of your concern. I just pulled up.
You don't want them to burn the look and you don't want them to burn the look and burn the look.
I want no confidence. Please.
I'm gonna pepper them. Look at my hair. Fire.
I like it. But so the concert is happening on the 1st of August at Alliance France.
Okay.
We want it to be guys. The experience is gonna be amazing. Okay, that's what we really pride ourselves with the experience. It's gonna be entertaining. We have some surprise acts for you as well. So just watch out for that. Okay, and we're gonna have the ticket info out very, very soon. As we said, we're doing Fire and Flow as its own thing with its own website and everything. So that's what we're doing. Early bird tickets will be announced soon, by the starting of next month. It's gonna be
and
out.
we'll be doing some packages as well, 5 group.
Setting
amount. So
a group of 3, a group of 5.
You're saving your money.
Gonna have that. Yes,
you're saving your money.
Yeah, get early bird tickets.
I don't want you to do FOMO. My gosh, I missed
it. I know. You have to be there. You have to be there. You have to have a kamikaze yourself.
But I have to give a shout out to Keche, the people in the group
with us. Oh yeah.
Soul Winners, Bethel.
Shout out to you guys for doing your thing.
So we all deserve to be there. I mean, shout out to Dope Nation. I wish they were also in that category.
Yeah,
because
guys.
that's well deserved. Because everywhere you go, you can't have a party without Dope Nation song.
Guys, no,
a wedding,
you
a
can't
party,
have any
anything
without a Dope Nation song.
I try to, I try to nudge them that next year, Artist of the Year, they should be there.
Yeah.
Let's see.
When Lali and Lola brand started in 2021, making music so far, how has the evolution been like?
Literally, around midnight, this girl was watching our old videos, performance videos, and we're like, oh my god, that's crazy. We've evolved, we've grown so much. I like the beauty of that because then people get to see that you didn't just come up, you're not just perfect sitting there, there's a lot of hard work. So much hard work to into your craft that you believe in.
I mean you saw us we've even been going to the gym, trying to work on our breath control. Make sure because for us we want to be able to perform on stage for 2-3 hours and we're not even tired. We can give you back to back. We have so in the past 4 years, okay, we've had close to 40 songs released, all coming from our house. And we've been on all the stages, from Tidal Rave to Beam Festival to Shatawale Freedom Concert to Rapaholic,
MDK, Beyond
Control, Efia Live, guys, came from Promised Land. Shout out to all of the people who took their time to put us on their platform. We appreciate you guys so much. It's not easy, but just sharing the spotlight with us is amazing. So shout out to you. And what else? And then the high school tours, guys. High school tours. It's not easy. Oh.
Come and see Daphne dancing and things.
You trek to some 6 hours, 12 hours. Guys, we are working.
No, we
drive.
MX, we are working.
I know,
Like,
right? I know. What else?
Are we?
No, definitely.
Yeah, in the concert
Are
as
we?
well.
Are we expecting anything? You've dropped Kamikaze. It's still hot. We still saw the thing there with Efia. It's okay. Hurry up.
Okay, that's not how it works.
Okay,
That's not how it works. Yeah,
Oh.
Kamikaze is there, guys. If you guys don't push Kamikaze, you won't be able to drop anything else. So please, Kamikaze yourself, tag us, add it to all your streaming platforms. The video is out. I know MX has been playing it. Shout out to you guys. So, guys, Kamikaze yourself.
Yeah,
that's it.
please, like,
but we have
use
new
the sound.
songs coming out.
Yes, amazing.
And we're gonna be performing it at the concert.
At
So if you're
the
not there, you're gonna miss
concert.
it. And the choreography for it
Exactly.
is eating.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Should we give them the one that's coming
You
out?
want to do it a cappella?
No,
Yes,
not a
that's-
cappella. That's too
too
no.
much.
Let's do
That's
a
too much.
cappella.
Okay, it's
That's
too much.
too
I'll
much.
join.
That's
Let's
too
go.
much. That's too much.
Next time.
So,
Next time.
Next time. That's too much. I'll just give you the title.
Okay, what's the title?
It's called Mad Over Me.
Mad Over Me.
Yeah. Mad Over Me. That's all. I will not continue.
Ah.
I just want to tease. Yeah, it's gonna be crazy. Yeah.
Well, big congratulations to you guys
Thank you
again.
so
We're still
much.
expecting amazing stuff at Fire and Flow concert.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, they already said it, that early bird tickets will be coming out
Yes.
pretty soon. We are in May.
Yeah.
June, July, August. You'll be there sitting down thinking that, oh, I'll wait small.
Oh, don't wait. Oh. Don't wait. Don't wait.
Okay?
Don't wait.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining.
Oh my gosh, thank you for
But
having
before we go, please, this is. Where's their camera? This is their camera.
Okay.
The middle of this one?
This
Yes.
one.
Okay, so this one.
Yeah.
I need you to look in your camera and tell people to vote for you.
Okay.
Let us know the codes.
Okay.
Everything we have to do. Take
Okay.
us through it step by step.
Okay.
And let us vote
Yay.
for the Lali and Lola brand.
Guys,
Let's
for
go.
us to be able to say, our fans got us this on the mic next week.
Yes.
I need you
At
all to
TGMA. We need to vote.
energy, synergy. Okay, so you need
Yes.
to vote. Okay, so all you're gonna do is click Lali X Lola or any social media platform.
Yeah.
Go to our bio.
Yeah.
Click it, and you're gonna go see vote for TGMA.
yeah.
You're gonna click it, and then all you have to do is just put in your number, and then
Yeah, so guys, it takes you to the website and the voting is free, okay? You just have to log in with your number and that's it, because they want to make sure you're a real person, okay?
Yeah.
Then the second option is, and that's for any network, guys. Now the second option is for telecell users, okay? You're just going to use you're going to dial *1767# and going to use our short code Z2. Okay, that is Z2. Don't go and do 3, 4. That's for other people. Please, Z.
Okay.
And 2. There's 2 of us. 2 blessings. Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, don't forget there are 2 ways of voting. Actually, the tutorial is on our page, so you can find it there. But guys, don't forget the website is for free, all networks, and we have telecell users. That's the *1767# and then use our short code.
It's
Z2.
next week, so you have to. Today is like literally
Yes.
today.
Guys, vote.
Today, don't say
Don't wait.
please now.
Vote.
Thank you.
Don't wait.
So we can do.
Vote.
Our fans got us this.
Thank you to my fans.
Thank
I guess
you to my
no,
fans.
you know that TikTok sound. If I didn't win, I guess we'll never know.
No.
I want to use that sound. Please make up, please. So I want to use it.
Oh
please.
my
Wait. But guys, don't forget our concert is on the 1st of August, happening at Allianz Française. It's gonna be amazing, guys. Entertainment, everything, all in one place. Laughs, happiness. Come with family. It's a family-oriented program, so you can come with your children, your side chick if you want. We don't judge. My phone. We don't judge. We don't judge. But come.
Daphne's face is so.
This one is not Kamikaze.
It will be like a Coldplay. The Coldplay thing. That's
The Coldplay thing was so. I was like.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen,
Thank
I
you.
promised you that we're going to have an amazing conversation with Lali and Lola, our favorite Ghanaian twins.
Hey. Period.
My name is the Daphne Flashley, and this has been MX Breaks. Will come your way same time, okay? Do not forget that in case you missed this amazing interview, you can go on our YouTube and catch it right there, so that you take your time with some popcorn, with biscuit, with coffee, and get, yes, exactly, and watch it all over again. I'll come your way same time. Bye-bye.